Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to customize your phone's lock screen with widgets or shortcuts. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're using an Android device like me, all you can do is simply touch and hold your phone's lock screen to enter your edit mode. So once you're in your edit mode, you can find this option called widgets. Simply tap on widgets, and once you do this, you can simply select apps that you want to customize it. So you can also tap on the listening mode, or you can simply add calendars or suggested apps and unlock clock. You can also add any of the apps given on screen and swipe up to browse the available widgets as well. So this is how you can simply rearrange or simply add your widgets and shortcuts on your lock screen. So to remove a widget, you can simply tap on that particular widget and you can simply remove it as well. So this is how you can simply be done and simply have a customized lock screen. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.